Verifying your identity on ReMoney Transfer is essential for secure transactions. If your verification fails, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the personal information you provided matches the identification documents you submitted. Any discrepancies can lead to verification failure. Step 2. Review required documents. Make sure you have the correct documents ready for verification. Typically, this includes a government-issued ID and proof of address. Verify that these documents are up to date and clear. Step 3. Contact customer support. If your verification fails, reach out to ReMoney Transfer's customer support. They can provide specific reasons for the failure and guide you on the next steps. Step 4. Resubmit your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After resubmitting, allow some time for REA to process your verification. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your identity verification. If it still fails, consider following up with customer support again. By following these steps, you can effectively address any issues with your identity verification on ReMoney Transfer. If you encounter further problems, don't hesitate to seek assistance from their support team.